Hi guys, this is Dr. Nama from the Medical Salon. I'm a consultant gynecologist. Today we will talk about Lanluma. Lanluma is poly-L-lactic acid. When injected below the fat, you get fibroblast stimulation and collagen production. It produces a lot of type 1 collagen, which makes your skin look really smooth, nice and young, what I call as baby skin. It's a great treatment for achieving very good skin on the tummy, on the arms, on the thighs, on the back of the thighs, for the hip dips, and also for the gluteal area. It's fantastic if you're just looking at tightening of the skin, improvement in skin quality. The treatment is performed under local anesthetic and virtually has no downtime. It is performed with a cannula, and once we do the treatment, you'll be up and about straight away. Most of our patients can even go to the gym on the same day. You may not even need paracetamol after the treatment is performed. The only criteria is that we would ask you to massage the area because you want to integrate the product nicely into the fibroblast so you get very good results. Normally, you need a course of 3, but depending on patient condition, race, and their ability to produce collagen. The beauty of this product is nobody will know you've had any treatment done. Initially, you get some swelling. Then the swelling goes off. In 4 to 6 weeks time, you start seeing a very good improvement in the skin quality and tightening of the skin. But the results continue to improve for up to 6 months, and it can last for up to 2 years.